You guys will be shocked by the AI video and image generators I'm about to show you. I mean, just look at these videos, the quality, and the details. I generated all of them for free. Some of these tools are open source, while others are completely free. I'm also going to reveal a very popular and trusted platform where you can monetize your AI content. So make sure you watch the full video and don't forget to comment and subscribe. It will really support my efforts. Let's begin. Zimage AI. So this is the first tool I'll be focusing on. And I'm not even going to lie to you. This one right here, it's low-key powerful. Like, one of those tools that doesn't look like much at first. But once you start using it, yeah, you start to understand. We're talking about Zimage. Now if you haven't heard of it before, that's actually a good thing. Because that means you're early. And being early with tools like this, that's how you stay ahead. So all you have to do is go to your browser and search for it. Type in Zimage, take your time, then hit enter. And don't just tap it like you know something good is about to happen. Now once the results pop up, click on the link that looks like the official website. You'll recognize it. It's usually the one that just feels right. Now go ahead and click it. And once you're in, this is what your homepage should look like. Clean, simple, nothing too crazy. But don't let that simplicity fool you. Because sometimes, the most powerful tools are the ones that don't try too hard to impress you. They just work. Now go ahead and log in with Google to save time. No need to stress yourself with passwords and all that. Just one click, and you're in. Fast, easy, done. Now this is exactly what your interface should look like. Take a second to look at it. Get comfortable, because this is where you're going to be creating from. Now from here, scroll down just a little, not too much, just enough until you see the text to image section. You'll notice there are other options too. Things like image editor, text to video, and a few other tools, which is great, because it shows this platform is actually packed with features. But for now, stay focused. We're working with text to image, because this is where things really start to get interesting. This is where your imagination turns into something you can actually see. Now, let's move to the next step. Head over to ChatGPT. You already know what time it is. This is where you create your prompt. Now for me, my prompts are already ready. But if yours aren't, don't rush it. Seriously, take your time here. Because this part matters. This is your moment. Be creative, be bold, be specific. Describe exactly what you want. The lighting, the mood, the style, the details, everything. Because the better your prompt, the better your result. Simple as that. Now once your prompt is ready, pick the one you like the most. The one that really stands out to you. Copy it. Now head back to Zimage and paste it into the prompt box. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. You'll notice there are different AI models available. You might see options like Flux, Nano Banana, and a few others. Each one has its own style, its own way of generating images. So feel free to experiment, try different ones, see what works best for you. Because sometimes, the same prompt with a different model gives you a completely different result. And that's where the fun is. Now if you look a bit further, you'll also see advanced settings. Now don't get overwhelmed. You don't have to touch everything. If you're just starting, keep it simple. But as you get better, you can come back and start tweaking things. And that's when you really start leveling up. Alright, and wow. Just look at that. This is crazy. The quality, insane. The details, sharp. Everything looks clean, well put together. Almost like something you'd see from a professional designer. And the best part? You made this. From just a prompt. From your imagination. That's actually wild when you think about it. Now go ahead and download it. Don't just sit there admiring it. Save it. Secure your file. Now imagine doing this again, with another prompt, and another one, and another one. You can literally build a whole collection of high-quality images, different styles, different ideas, different concepts, all from one tool. And that's where this becomes powerful. So yeah, this is Zimage. Simple on the surface, but very powerful once you start using it. And trust me, this is just the beginning, because it only gets better from here. Chat and Ask AI. Then next on the list, we have Chat and Ask AI. Now this one, it's a bit of an all-in-one type of tool. Like, it doesn't just do one thing. It does a lot. So go ahead and open a new tab. Search for Chat and Ask AI, and click on the first link. You should recognize it when you see it. Now once you're in, this is what your interface should look like. Take a second to look around, because immediately you'll notice something. This isn't just an image tool. It has multiple features. You can use it for link analysis, YouTube video summaries, even serves as a search engine. Like, It's packed. It's one of those tools where you could honestly spend hours just exploring. But we're not here for all that right now. We've got one focus: image generation. So stay locked in. Now go ahead and locate the section called Start Chat. Click on it. And now, this is what your interface should look like. You'll see a prompt box, different AI models, different styles, and a few extra settings you can play around with. Now this is where things start getting interesting, because you've got options. And options mean flexibility. Now go ahead and head over to ChatGPT. You already know what time it is. Get your prompt ready. Be creative. Add details. Don't hold back. Because again, your output depends on your input. Once your prompt is ready, copy it. Head back to Chat and ask AI. Paste it into the prompt box. Go ahead and click on Create Image. Let it generate. Give it a second. And boom, it's ready. And wow, this looks good. Like, really good. Clean details. Nice lighting. Everything just comes together well. Now go ahead and download it. Don't waste time. Save your work. Now let's move on to the next one. Repeat the same process. New prompt, paste, generate, and again, another solid result. And that's what you want. Consistency. Because a good tool doesn't just work once. It works every time. So yeah, that's Chat and Ask AI. Simple, flexible, and surprisingly powerful when you use it right. Now let's move on to the next tool. Honorable mentions. Up next, we have Digen AI. Now this is easily one of my personal favorites. And I don't say that lightly. There's a reason I keep coming back to it. First of all, they give you daily credits. Yes, daily. So even if you use everything up today, you can come back tomorrow and do it all over again. No stress, no pressure. And on top of that, the image quality, top tier. Like, clean, detailed, and actually usable. Not those weird off-looking generations. This one actually delivers. So yeah, this tool is definitely worth your time. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up your browser, search for Digen AI, and click on the correct link. You'll recognize it. Now once you're in, look for the option that says Generate Images for free. Go ahead and click on it. And now, this is what your interface should look like. Simple, clean, easy to navigate, no confusion. Now go ahead and sign in. Same as before. Use Google to save time. Quick login. And just like that, you're in. Now that you're inside, go ahead and get your prompt. Any prompt you like. You already know the process by now. Head over to ChatGPT. Be creative. Add details. Don't hold back. Because the better your prompt, the better your result. Once your prompt is ready, copy it. Now head back to Digen AI. Before you paste it in, make sure you switch the settings. Change it from image to text to image. Very important, because we're generating from text. Now paste your prompt. Everything is set. Go ahead and click on Generate. Give it a second, let it do its thing, and boom. Your image is ready. And wow, this looks beautiful. Clean details, sharp output. Everything just comes together nicely. This is the kind of result you want. Now go ahead and download it. Don't just admire it, save it. Now let's move on to the next one, which is Hugging Face. Now for this one, I'm not even going to generate images right now, because honestly, there are too many options. Instead, let me save you some time. I'm going to give you my two favorite tools on there. If you want the best results, start with these. The first one is Ernie Image Turbo, and the second one is FluxCline 9B. These two, they're solid, fast, high quality, very reliable. So if you ever feel overwhelmed on Hugging Face, just go straight to those. It'll make your life easier. And trust me, you won't be disappointed. Alright, let's move on to the next tool. Digen AI. Your images are ready. Now it's time to turn them into video. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Digen AI. Click the official website. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top right corner and click Create. You'll enter the main workspace. Step 2. Upload your image. On the left side, click Upload. Select the image you want to turn into a video. Tip: use high-quality images for better results. Next you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe how you want the image to move, e.g., zoom, turn, lighting effects, etc. If you're unsure what to write, click Prompt Enhance to improve your prompt automatically. Step 3. Add music, optional. You can add background music if you want. This step is optional, skip it if you prefer. Step 4. Generate the video. Click Generate Video. While it's processing, you can upload another image and repeat the steps to create multiple videos at once. Results and download. Once your video is ready, preview it and download the file. Repeat the process with different images and prompts to create more videos and experiment with new ideas. Fanvue. For monetization, we are going to use Fanvue, of course, because right now it is one of the only trusted platforms that allows AI content monetization. And let's be honest, you don't want to put in all that effort creating content just for it to sit there looking pretty with no money coming in. Fanvue is trusted by well-known celebrities, even people like Cardi B, so you already know it is the real deal. When big names are using a platform, that usually means it has been tested, tried, and it actually works. They have also handled a huge amount of money in creator payouts, which shows that people are not just signing up, they are actually earning. Another great thing about Fanvue is that they support AI content monetization across almost any niche. So whether you are creating AI videos, images, or something more creative, you can still find a way to make money from it. That flexibility is a big reason why I recommend it. And don't worry, getting started is simple. You can find the sign up link in the description below, just click it, create your account, and you are good to go.